In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off live photos on your iPhone. Live photos capture a few seconds of motion and sound before and after you take a photo. Some people may find this feature unnecessary or want to save storage space on their device, so it's helpful to know how to disable it. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down until you see an option called Camera. Tap on it. Then tap Preserve Settings. After that, scroll down to the very bottom. Now you'll see the live photo option, which is enabled. To turn off live photos on your iPhone, simply toggle off this switch here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.